That's insane. That is insane. I've never seen that on a lake. Welcome back to another episode of Family Tradition Fishing. Billy here with my little nephew, Chris. That's him. I can't get too close to him because he's got the poison oak, and I'm highly allergic to it. But we're gonna go out here on this little lake right here and have a little fishing challenge. It's biggest fish wins. I only have one chesty. It will be strapped to me, but I would try to get as many shots as him catching fish as possible. There's no real consequences to losing this yet. Not making me the worm, not sure yet. But yeah, stick around. Throw some top water around for a little bit, see what we can get. That's insane. That is insane. I've never seen that on a lake. Ever have I seen that on? Watch this. Did you see him? Golly, I missed him. Oh, big school of bass. Holy cow. Like freaking 8, 9 monsters. And I do mean monsters. He's not hooking up good. They're not hooking up good. Get up on top of your kayak real quick. There's a monster right there. You see him? Where'd he go? Right there. Dang it. Spot won't come over until the male gets caught off the bed. Got her. Yep. Probably, because I barely got this hooked. There we go.
Ready?
Yeah. Hold its belly. Leg off its mouth. There you go. Just let her do her thing. Now the monster's on. Yeah, just came off bed though. Hey, I'm putting this big thing on.
What about that cove right over there to the right?
Oh, we're gonna hit that. We're gonna hit it all. You just stay close enough for me to save you if you fall out.
Oh, because of how I'm sitting?
Just because you're in a kayak or on the water. A lot of people drown, man. Hey, don't break my rod.
Alright, we're getting into the pretty deep water, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit back down into this thing. I just hope I don't get a big enough fish that it like pulls and flips my kayak.
I hope you do.
Just for the footage. And actually, I catch it.
So you catch a giant, the footage, I mean, would be okay, but I'd like to see you hook into a giant. Oh, there was a hit. Yeah. Oh God, he came off. Crap. I didn't have enough leverage when I set the hook.
What?
I didn't have enough leverage when I set the hook. There was one. There's another hit. Got him. I don't think this is a fish. Oh, it is. Mouthful of yig.
Oh, dang.
Big mouthful of yig.
Oh, thanks, they like my little weight limit.
If you want to change, let me know.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Little big guy, but he'll work.
Hopefully, he won't beat the fish that I'm going to catch.
Oh, thanks for dancing. Alrighty, so there goes a day of fishing right there. We fished for about 4 hours. We had a little competition going on. Tell them who won.
You.
Me? That's right. Did you come close?
No.
No, but did you have fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. See, that's what counts. I got my little nephew out on the lake trying to teach him a thing or two. How hard is bed fishing?
It's frustrating.
Frustrating, to say the least.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. What should they do?
Like and subscribe.
Comment down in the bottom. And like always, guys, catch you next time. Okay, guys, sorry about that. The end of that video was very, very laggy. The voice was out of sync. I apologize. I don't know how to fix that. I tried forever, but it didn't work. So I'm shooting a different outro, or just apologizing, really. I'm just going to apologize, say sorry, and sorry that the video jumped around a lot. There was no specifics to it. It was just us out having fun and fishing. So thank you guys for watching. I love each and every one of you. Oh my gosh, almost knocked me over. And stay with daddy. Stay with daddy. And guys, I appreciate it. Please keep watching. I really enjoy making these videos. It's fun doing this for y'all. Come here, baby. Don't go nowhere. yeah, so thank you. And sorry again, it jumped around a lot. And like always, catch you next time.